What's up, guys? Out here getting ready to head out to the trail. Got all 3 bikes loaded up in the back of the F-150. Headed out to ride some mountain terrain for the first time this year. We're pretty damn excited, so we'll check you back in a few. Well, we made it here. On those bikes, get ready to go ride. Beautiful, nice and green today. Got some rain last night. Dirt should be perfect for our ride. Pretty damn excited. Got everyone ready. All the bikes are getting warmed up. Ready to ride. We'll catch you up on the trail. Mud or water crossing number 2. It's not too deep. We wanted to get wet, I guess. I don't know what's going. I didn't expect there to be this much water up here. It's Utah. Well, we got all the snow melting off still. Here comes Keaton as well. Here he comes. Can he keep his balance? Hell yeah, dude! Woohoo! That was good. Oh shit. Woohoo! Hell yeah, dude! Yeah, it is. Dude, that other one I hit a rock and I thought I was gonna lose it. Hit a rock and yeah. I hope my GoPro gets some good video of this. I don't know if you can even hear me, but I try to talk a little bit about what's going on. But I can't really see what you're seeing, so I hope it's good. Woohoo! That was a little sketchy. I got bucked around right there by a little rock a little bit. Some of these rocks are massive. We got a first timer with us, so hopefully he'll still want to ride with us when it's all said and done. Got Tanner coming up. See if he can't make it. Come on, Tanner, you got it, bro. There you go. What's that? Where do I go? Thick one. This is his 3rd time on a dirt bike. We're trying to kill him already. Some of these rocks are enormous. Pretty hard to tell, but that's kind of a decent shot. Look how big. That's as big as Tanner. See if he can get his bike started. See if Keaton still wants to ride with us after this. What you think of this? You didn't know you were doing Erzberg Rodeo.
I know, huh?
And your 3rd time out.
Surprise rodeo?
Woo!
Well,
what do you think of this? You didn't know you were doing Erzberg Rodeo.
I know, huh? It's a surprise rodeo? I don't even know what to do.
You just gotta try.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go? This side?
Yeah, I went up right there and then try to just pick a smoother line.
Damn.
You gotta try to keep your momentum.
Yeah.
Lucky you got E-start.
Yeah.
You give it a shot, I'll get you. He's gonna get a shot. Nice, dude. Nice work, dude. kid. There you go. Now ignore the lights and stuff. It's actually a motocross bike, so it's super sick. There you go. There you go.
Let's see what you got, Mitchell. I can make some good video. It's quite the trail.
Holy shit.
Keep on, cowboy. That's Mitchell, trail expert. He's here to get you where you need to go any day of the week. God hell, man. I can't even run that damn fast. Jesus.
See if Keaton can get up this without making it too hard. But Keaton made it through everything so far. Had to help him out on that big gnarly rock garden, but he's doing awesome for how little he's ridden a motorcycle. Here it comes. Sounds like he's still moving, so. Hell yeah, look at him, keeping his feet on his pegs already. Trying to keep the damn thing running, need to gear it down. He's got a sprocket for it, we just need to gear it down so we can actually ride this stuff. Hell yeah, dude! Keep that up. And this is the Black Diamond Trail. In case you couldn't tell, it's a good one. Catch you in the next spot.
Woo!
Bigger rear sprocket.
Yeah.
Think he needs another 2 teeth, Mitch?
What's that?
You think he needs another 2 teeth?
He's got a smaller front sprocket, so it'll bring it to the same gearing as mine. He just needs to put it on.
Yeah.
I should have made you freaking bring it today. It takes 5 minutes. It's all good, man. You're making it happen.
Yeah.
Wouldn't be challenging enough if you had it.
Yeah.
You'll only be killing it like once every 5 minutes instead of every minute.
I got an E-start.
Yeah, that's
We'll make it work.
got another obstacle right here. For you guys to get their shot at. Oh, and he kills it. He almost had it. And the damn Honda will start, maybe. Oh, first kick. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Get up the rock. There you go. Burn that clutch out. Brand new. There you go. That beautiful KTM up there. He climbed up it like it was nothing. Here comes Keaton. Stay left. Go in there. Yeah. There you go. Keep. Oh, damn it. Hell yeah, Keaton. Oh man, dude, you're riding that so perfect. Hello.
it through the rocky stuff. It was pretty damn hard. I've never rode a dirt bike through some shit like that. But now we're in some fucking slick ass mud. God damn it. You tip her over?
Huh?
You get some mud on you?
It's so slick. And
Yeah, it's so slick, dude.
my clutch busted.
Oh shit.
There's a lever dead.
Tanner broke his damn clutch lever after riding all that gnarly stuff. He decides to tip it over in the mud. It's like, yeah, I just want to make it as hard as I possibly can to try to get back to the truck. So
That's what makes it fun.
that's the latest update. We'll give it a shot.
Can he stop?
He's right there around the corner.
Is his clutch like kind of working?
Kind of. Yeah, I think we can ride.
This one back?
Yeah, that. And then I think it's like a main, either a pavement road or a main road down hardware ramp. We'll give that a shot.
Is he coming back?
I need to tell him to.
Okay. I'm the caboose of the train. Yeah! I hopped it rock. See that? I'm a professional rock jumper. Like Mitchell, kinda. He's a good rock jumper.
Well, we officially made it back. Quite the adventure. Tanner's bike tried not to survive, but we got it back. Here she be. Managed to ride the road back and get back here safely, but
Yeah.
he decided he didn't like either of his damn levers.
Yeah.
Not to mention he just tipped over on the road. Of all
Jumped
places.
out of the truck.
And we rode some gnarly rocky stuff and he rode it just fine, but then we were just riding the road. I'm trying to find some more trails, but couldn't figure it out. So that's about a wrap. We're gonna load everything back up in the truck and head and grab some food.
Bye, YouTube.
See you next time. Comment, like, and subscribe.